Hello, this is Professor Bobby with an unboxing of a Junkers EISVOGEL F13 Swiss quartz calendar watch with date, week, and month. We shall check out the lume, do the measurements, and do a wrist shot. And later on, I shall do a review based on my wear and use of it. Let's unbox this thing. Knife. Well packaged by LongIslandWatch.com. Paper is pretty good quality. So here's the more box paper. Toss that aside. And then the invoice. We don't need to see that, right? And these. Okay, I got it. Here we go. Oop, wrong way. Bam! Junkers. Now that's, for anybody in the aviation field, they'll know what a Junkers is. It's not Junkers. It's Junkers. It's Junkers. With I guess there would be like 2 dots on above the U to say Junkers properly. Ah, not too bad. It's not focusing. There we go. Took a while to focus for some reason. Okay. Here we go. Focusing on this thing is really... Anyhow, look at the watch. The watch is pretty nice. It's very elegant. It's a flat crystal, mineral crystal, and it's not bad. So, let's do some measurements. 20 millimeters. It's 10 millimeters thin, or the thickness. 40 millimeters width. And the lug width is 47.6. And this is what the back looks like. Has a ID, scanner ID, so they could track distributors. Made in Germany. And how does one take off the back? Looks like you have to use a screw just to pop it out. Okay, let's do a lume shot, shall we? We're gonna do a lume shot. I should use my trusty lume enhancer device. Oops, a little bit more. Pretty nice. All right, let's do a wrist shot. It looks very sophisticated. pretty light. This is a bit tight. I don't want to fully do it just in case. Just in case. Alright. We shall do the adjustments. So let's try to adjust this. Let's see how easy it is. Alright, pretty easy. Very smooth. And what does this button do? What? It's very stiff. What does it do? Probably like a month or something. I don't know what that does. Just nothing's moving. I'm pressing pretty hard. You know, I'm not the type to read a manual, and my gosh, we have to pull it out. Not working. Let's try pulling it out. Press it again. You know, I'm gonna figure this out one day. Anyhow, that was a bit of a letdown. Anyhow, there is the Junkers EISVOGEL F13. Month, day, week. Because you gotta know the week to tell the time. Back. So, this thing is not really working. This button that I had a hard time figuring out, it was always depressed. It's actually supposed to come out a little bit so you could actually press it down. So it's actually stuck on the down position. So I can't give like a working review. I'm gonna have to return it. I don't want to futz with it anymore. So sadly, I have to end the review on a sad note. Boo hoo, boo hoo. It's a really great watch. If you put it on, it has that nice lug. Really sophisticated in the thinness. It's pretty nice. It's light. It looks really elegant up close and from afar. And I like the lume, makes it more useful. Oh, by the way, I have a Seiko cocktail time. Hello. Hello. Bring it out, bring it out. Hello. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, dang, it took forever. So, I have a Seiko. It's a mechanical watch. Now, why would you want to futz with... This is my thinking. Why am I getting a quartz watch? Yeah, it could last like 5 years on a battery. Well, that's nice. Can you pass it on to your kids? Maybe not. But all these complications, the month, day, and week, maybe not the day. Is it a day? Yeah, date, week, and month. So, all these complications, you're not going to be able to set it every single time you lose a charge. Say on an automatic, it's like 36 hours typically for automatic. So, okay. Simple complications, a date and the time. That you could set in like in a hot like a minute. In a minute. You start winding it up, pulling it out, start spinning that date. There we go. Spinning a date. Okay, easy. Or setting the time. I could do that in a minute. Anyone could do that in a minute, right? That's okay with an automatic. Simple complications. Two things, all right? Here, you're dealing with week, the month, the week number, which I don't know why anyone would want to know what week it is. But by the way, it's week 30. I know you use it all the time at work. Not. So here's the date, which is supposed to be pressing over here, which is unfortunately depressed constantly when I first got it. So quartz is good for complications, like of magnitude of 3 or so. It's gonna take forever to adjust all of these things. 5 minutes, most. Not worth your time. This is when quartz shine. It's accurate. I can set it down. I feel lazy. Pick it back up. Blam. Elegant solution for any kind of situation out there. Either going on a date, business trip, or whatever, where you must know the time, to a high degree. And with all these complications, you want quartz. Anything simple, I'm repeating myself, but anything simple, yeah. 2 complications at most. You could handle. Anybody can handle that. Blam. So, that's my review of why I got the quartz-based solution. It's light, it's thin, has a lot of complications, and I don't need to adjust it all the time. A battery costs like $1, so that's why I got it, and that's why I got to return it. That's why this happened. Because of this, got to return it.